Welcome to the course content navigation tutorial. During this tutorial, I am going to show you how to access your course content and navigate through the RISE platform. To begin, you should have logged into eCampus and opened your course. From the home page, which you can see right now, you should select Course Content. From here, you should choose the appropriate module. Next, you should select the module content folder. From there, you should select Click to Launch. This will bring you to the course content. This is the home page for the course content. If you want to, you can bookmark it for easy access. Here you can click the Start Course button, or you can select a module below. All of this content is open to view at any point. However, we suggest following the course schedule in eCampus. To open a module, simply click on the module. This will bring you to the beginning of the module you selected. At the top of the screen, you will find the module number and title. To the left side, you will see the course information, along with the progress percentage and a course menu. You can jump to other areas of the course by selecting a section on the left side. In the beginning of each module, you will see an outline of items specific to that module, such as learning objectives, reading and media requirements, and course module assignments. To complete each module, we suggest you take your time reading and engaging with the materials. You will find some activities or knowledge checks throughout the course. Even though these are ungraded, they are designed to prepare you for your course assessments. To return back to eCampus, you can either close this window or select the other page that eCampus is still open on.